Abusia, what the essay? Aya Russia Mampenin, Vladimir Putin, what the atono, me pamichao, young concussion the air coin name. Aya Russia Mampenin, Vladimir Putin, yes, like a video not share, now overflow in a be and share. Aye omuntu koya omuni Ukraine for edi esie ni a ene ye ken se Donald Trump se wo batawo se wo ye die nyo emu kona bla ene enwa de ade no ye nkonkohwe die asi ene de ato Vladimir Putin aye Russia mampeni no ewo santo kwanemu emprempremu like na say na ye nkonkohwe die ekonyina ye ntie emu nsam.
We could have woken up to the news this morning that Vladimir Putin is dead. Here's why we didn't. Last night, a Russian military officer said that Putin's helicopter was allegedly the target of an assassination attempt by Ukraine. He told RBC News that while Putin was visiting the Kursk region, his helicopter was in the epicenter of a Ukrainian drone strike. However, he claimed that Russia's air defense systems intercepted the drone and destroyed it before it could reach the president's flight path. And while Ukraine themselves haven't verified yet if this is true, following that alleged incident, yesterday Russia launched its largest aerial assault on Ukraine since the invasion began, resulting in at least 14 civilian deaths and numerous injuries. Now, Trump was pissed about this. He said, and I quote, "Putin has gone absolutely crazy," and repeated multiple times that he doesn't know what has happened to him since they've always had a good relationship. As always, I'll keep you guys updated.
No wonder Putin is pissed. No wonder Trump's calling him a crazy man. They just try to blow his ass out of the sky. 45 drones. That's how many they sent. Zalensky sent. And Putin was able to fight him off. Of course, there's missiles going back and forth or going into Ukraine now. Yeah, I don't think he's going to play nice. I don't think Trump's going to be able to get in the middle of it. Zelensky's got the EU and the UK backing him, talking a big game. Germany's talking about sending missiles into Russia. Yeah, I think this is going to escalate. It's going to escalate fast, and it's really getting out of Trump's hands rather quickly. And it's going to turn into its own thing. I mean, it's already its own thing, but I really think it's going to fall. Where this was Ukraine with America's backing, it looks like it's going to be Ukraine with UK and EU backing versus Russia. And we have heard the red countries say they will back Russia if they have to. This completely is getting out of hand really quick.
Busianfo endra de ka ketekete na chese yanti asempa kora chese endra de ka ketekete na nke ebeda be sore ne yesi eyi Putin chese ya jene krefri ni nsem me chire Ukraine for chese ma ji Putin krefri ni nsem nanso anya ambaso because Russia for was able to stop the drone na de koye ne say na Putin e2 kwan na ote ono ankasa ne personal helicopter a okọ with military escort na Ukraine for ne target Putin na ankasa plane na otimu no just helicopter na otimu omo target say okay ye the drone strike with the man direct na anopen na Russia for military head back ebe kasa say e ka kitikiti bi o se bro mo bre kransa na omutimi a stop sa drone. But the koye na ni se nyame ya adom mutimi stop drone enti sa de anke ye ntia asempa kra anka de beti ni se Putin efrim eden ni si ya rush Ukraine for eden a blast no en nso si sa nti no Russia for nso asende the largest drone strike akwa Ukraine akwa se ho baby bibiri ti se nipa gunyi ni paketwa.
I have some major breaking news coming from Russia. You won't believe that Ukraine almost assassinated Putin, the president of Russia. And this is the friend of Ibrahim Traore, the one that has been protecting our captain Ibrahim Traore and has been supporting eye-opening for all Africans. So this is what happened. So President Putin was visiting the Kursk region. This is a region in Russia where there is a lot of fighting. And during his visit, using a military helicopter, Ukraine launched a drone, and this drone was to assassinate Putin. But let me tell you, just before this drone launched an attack on this helicopter carrying Putin, it was intercepted by the defense system in Russia. And let me tell you, Putin doesn't want to hear anything to do with ceasefire in Ukraine, and now he is launching missiles in cities. Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine. He is launching so massively that the United States president said that he doesn't know what has happened to Putin. He is bombing cities. Let me tell you, if it was not for God's miracle that happened, we could be crying now because the person who helps our Ibrahim Traore could have been assassinated.
Abusia we aye de ekoso anase asi ewo Russia manimu a ene omosi ekade ankaka ewuo kodie wuo an kokobo nsam ekada nkaniti aye den eti ene say yesi niti abomu asofa or say Ukraine no yesi niti abom ama se de wosi woso konom no ene more than said de na oye abusia yan free wo mo ensense bi so na yentie we
US de omo de numbers eye adwuma pa so wo ba US ya numbers ankasa omo de ye adwuma papa mo amonte numbers ase mo ho eye me mobo pa James Comey na oye enkane former FBI director na wakotworo ewo social media 8647 se wo translate ya kire assassination 47 no ejina homa Trump and 86 no in numerology any critical police any FBI for omo terms no kire elimination se wi bibia firi ho 86 no and 47 no ejina homa Trump because Trump is the 47th president of US into a 47 and a prompt secret service any FBI as to say omato monsa the afre James Comey krum ha de omo de numbers here adwuma pa ho omo Freemason ni Illuminati ni secret societies no omo use numbers de here adwuma pa nti so obi tworo number bi na say number omo de ewu na say won te ase a o ho a na omakun number no 8647 wankasa uyu obi a wadwen emudo a obeti ase 47 no ejina homa Trump ena 86 no so say oye deduction calculate cked numerology eni bibia ewuramu a kire typical elimination.
Have you ever carried anything on your head before? No. Have you ever carried anything in your head before?
No.
If you go to that yes, if you do this, it's illegal here. Is it not true?
It's illegal.
But if you go to that place, Samuel Obiso Kejetia, Obiso, I went, I don't know, I Paopa for. They have something called Paopa in Africa.
Yeah.
There's something called Paopa. So a lady like you want somebody buy their things, you carry it and go and give it to them in their car, and then they give you $1.
Oh, that's cheap.
Yes.
They're a rip-off.
They just
They're a rip-off. They're cheap.
Abusia yasem woni pa bre ohonwo enti so far the we ane de ekoso anase asi ewo Russia mema waso ati bie subscribe for updates na me fa wo ensi ahasi